How to download and install Wordscapes on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Wordscape game on your Android device. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your Android device and head over to the Google Play Store. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on the search section, tap on the search bar at the top and type Wordscape. And you should see the official Wordscape games by People Fun appear at the top of the result list. Now tap on the Wordscape app from the search result and this will take you to the app page. Next, tap the install button and the download will begin. And the installation process will start automatically once it's complete. So make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth download. And once the installation is complete, you'll see the play button. Simply tap on it to launch the game. You can also find the Wordscape icon on your home screen or app drawer. Now you can open the game, complete the initial setup and start solving fun word puzzles. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Wordscapes on Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.